Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are well. Today I will show you how to fix the text size in your AutoCAD file. Okay guys, now we are watching a floor plan without text size. Now I take a text command. You know this drawing room. This I give its name and give grid name. Example A and title name without size. Typical floor plan. So guys, now we go to layout and double click viewport and select this the floor plan, and then we go viewport tools and go we give their scale ratio. Example 1 is to 100. Sorry, you need double click viewport and then give scale ratio 1 is to 100 and press enter. It is not fixed perfectly, so we need to decrease 1 is to 50. Oh no, it is not fixed perfect, so we need to increase. I think it will be fixed 1 is to 16. Yeah, not fixed 16 or 65. Yeah, it is fixed perfectly. Okay, so guys, now we are going to model. We'll go to model, then I set text size. Text size will be it is very important guys, is remember it. When you get a scale ratio of 50, normal text room name and drawing room dimension, text height will be double, and title text and grid text will be triple. So this this text size, there are 6 inch. It is not perfect. It is will be 5 inch. uh, I got 1 into 65. 65 double, that's mean 65 into 130. 130, it's mean 5 inch, and now I give here 5 inch. It is perfect text height or text size. So grid text size will be 65 into 3, so 195 divided by 4, 7.8, just mean 8 inch. Okay, now it is too perfect for grid text and title text, and title text will be 8 inch, sorry, will be 8 inch. Okay, so guys, uh, grid text I give another grid name. Example, this is B and C D. Okay, now I give dimension text. Dimension text will be as like normal text. There are 1 feet 6 inch, it is not correct. There are 5 inch, it is correct. And array size will be 4 inch. Okay guys, it is perfect. And text 6 inch and 2 inch. Okay, it is perfect setup. And I show continue dimension. Okay, you are understand perfectly. So guys, if you not subscribe my channel till now, subscribe please, and like, comment and share, and press bell button for notification. Okay, goodbye.